Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is the start of day 3, but we have to finish the rest of the drive for day 2 to get to the track to start day 3. The wife and daughter are still up in the room. They're having some good breakfast, some muffins and bananas and eggs and sausage. No one stole the car last night. Probably because I took the relays in. Nope. No, it's probably because nobody wanted it. They probably said, hey, you know, that guy down there has actually got a nice car. This is not worth taking. So that's cool. We still got the car. Got to put the relays and everything back in. Got to load up all the gas. However, I do want to say thank you very much to those who have helped make this possible, such as you subscribers. And of course, we have Top Cut Builders, exceptional barn builders in Ohio, Indiana, Michigan area. Fantastic job. And Rigsby's Automotive out of Upper Sandusky. Now, I just want to take a second to say, you know, they're not like, oh, hey, you know, we want your sticker. We want stickers on your car. No, it's more like I am personal friends with these guys, and I absolutely love the work they do, and they are great people. So I said, hey, you guys want to help me out, and I'll throw some stickers on the car. And they were like, heck yeah, because they're just awesome guys. So if you need some help with that kind of stuff, check these guys out, especially if you need a barn built, because that's the whole reason we have our shop. I gotta get this thing loaded up, and I gotta tell you, the drag week community is just absolutely amazing. We have been running horrible numbers because of those dang nittos. On the street, they are great. I've heard a lot of people saying on the tracks, they're garbage. However, one of the drag weekers said, hey, I got a set of old slicks. I mean, they're not the best, but they got some life left on them. You want to throw them on? And I said, heck yeah. So we're going to meet up with him at the next track, throw some slicks on, and let's hope we can run some better times. But first, we got to make the drive. So I'm going to get it loaded up. Well, we're starting our drive. There's the other feathers. She's just chilling. It is foggy this morning. I can probably see, what would you say, 100 feet in front of us? Barely. I ain't got no window wipers. The defrost hood is taking forever to unfog my window. Don't worry, we got the window wiper, so we can just make it clear. Yep, doing a thing. We're on our way to driveway 131. US 131. And hopefully the fog lifts soon so we can start racing, so we can pack up, head to the next track, then we can unpack, unwind, do some good stuff, chill out, make some good friends. Jordan wants to take the dash plaque out and have a bunch of people sign the car, which I am absolutely down for. So let's get this thing moving. What you guys doing down there?
Exhaust.
What do you mean exhaust? You helping Mama Ellie? What you doing?
Exhaust.
What's wrong with the exhaust?
Unless you want to be slow on the track.
Hey. She's not slow, she is slow, but she's just quiet on the track with these in. Show them how easy it is to pull them out.
Where's my daughter at?
It's loose.
Helps me reach it.
Usually helps when you jack the car up.
There. Out.
Well, we're here at day 3.
3, yeah.
Yeah. This gentleman had some extra slicks, so we're going to go ahead and try to throw these in the car. Well, thank you very, very much. You're very well. How are you running? Yeah, we're making it. We're making it. We're making it. What's your practice time so far?
Yeah.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
About a half a second slow.
During the track days, how's it doing on the highway? Good. Yeah. You got cruise control? Oh yeah. Mine's kind of wedged the foot between the firewall.
Got AC on it, cruise.
Yeah, yeah. I don't have any of that. I can't even get my co-pilot to drive. Yeah, bought it for $600. Built it up and made it into a drag car, so we can keep on doing the thing. And well, she's out here doing it. Yep. Well, it's pleasure. Hopefully you can put around us or something too. Let us know.
I can fit anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go. Got the drag radials on this morning. And
You guys stay at home last night?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, well, last day we're going to our hometown. We're probably going to stay up.
so we stayed at home last night. Stayed at home.
Nice.
We're in between home.
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah.
If you guys need anything, I got the job.
Oh, sweet. Yeah. Off to Mickey Thompson.
All right. What are you doing?
Well, most people go and use this thing called a battery charger? Yeah, battery charger. Our solar panels haven't been doing the job, mainly because we haven't been staying long enough where the sun's not in the right spot. So, I have to charge the camper battery up. Daughter might have killed it the other day. So we put the camper battery in the car and drove here on the camper battery. Now we got to put the race battery back in so we can actually, be safe. But yeah, once the battery's back in, we already got the exhaust done. We got sparkulators changed over to new plugs, gap. Probably just gonna leave those in until I have one more set, 2 more sets. Probably gonna just wait until Friday to change them again. We're gonna go see if we can mount these Hoosiers. If we can get that done, then we're gonna be ready to go for track. And then hopefully we can make a pass, pack up, head out. Then we can pop the camp up tonight. And we'll have a fresh battery ready to go.
Wait, the red goes to the red. What are you doing?
Well, I ran out of black wire, so we're gonna hook up the red wire as a black wire. That way, if anybody steals the car, they just burn the whole thing down. At least fry the MSD box.
Won't be able to start if they fire the MSD box.
This is ground, right?
I hope so.
Sure.
Perfect.
2366. So this Mustang at the hotel last night, Kyle Buntley's 1988 model. Eric Beer Catman coming up on the left side.
You know that's getting butchered when you're gone on Friday.
Beer Catman is all you gotta remember.
Beer, cat, vet.
Yes, if you feed your beer to your cat, you'll have to go to the vet. That's what you have to do to remember.
That was a good amount.
Running out of room for stickers.
My brain.
Running out of room for stickers.
Once again, we're still working on a nickname for this guy with the Norwegian deal, but flying Norwegian, this isn't going to work. He was trying to be, 869, 460. Kyle Buntley goes 1050, 131. Ooh, what about the Volt Viking?
That's what you want to call it? The Volt Viking?
The Volt? Volt?
Yes.
Volt.
V-A-L-T.
Volt. You trying to come up with something fresh?
Absolutely amazing. No haulers. Just nothing but cars and the trailers they hauled here with them.
The Buick Grand National. The Monogrona 3.8 liter V6 leaving. The Ford LTD wagon chasing.
You have special awards at the end of the week at the Gear Vendors Party. Well, we will name the quickest 4-cylinder and the quickest 6-cylinder in the zone. On the right-hand side, we do not have any class.
Does have 2 blowers and 1 engine. So they made the similar this years ago. Super Street big blower.
I didn't remember that.
race to Plymouth.
Some real drag and drive work shit here. We got the welder out, working on the cars. Drag Week 2024, day 3. Well, we made a pass. 1270 something. We got it turned in. We're packing our shit. It is hot. So I'm not gonna get any better with the Nittos. We made some friends back here. We tried helping us out. We couldn't get the Hoosiers mounted because Mickey Thompson said no. So we're still on the Nittos. We have completed day 3. Day 2. Day 2's over. We officially got the map for day 3, but we can officially mark off US 131 Motorsports Park. Now we're going to be on the road to Milan Dragway and whatever checkpoints we have in between. Supposedly it ain't supposed to be too bad of a drive, but only time will tell. So on the road we go. Well, that's it. We just hit stop number 2. Had some good root beer. Man, that was good. They had no idea all these people were coming. They just told them that we were stopping, not actually stopping to eat.
Oh, show me the video.
But yeah, it's pretty good. The best part that made my wife's day was as we were leaving the track, we stopped by and said bye to Alex Taylor, and she went ahead and signed our dash. So I gotta say, the value of the car is significantly increased. So let's get this thing to the next checkpoint and hang out with some more people, because this is absolutely awesome.
Hey, how's it going?
It's actually going pretty good. We're doing great on temp, great on oil pressure, and we're just cruising. I got my foot wedged in between the firewall and the gas pedal. That's kind of my cruise control-ish, maybe. We're at 48 miles since our last fill up. Oh, holy crap. We're at 989.9. Oh, 999. Y'all want to watch this baby roll over to 1,000 miles? Woohoo! Hell yeah! We have 1,000 miles on Project Apocalypse. And just for reference, we had less than 200 when we started the trip, and then we drove to Finley, went through cruise night, drove all the way to Hebron, and now we're doing Hot Rod Drag Week. And I gotta say, the biggest issue today is trying to figure out whether the bumps and shakes and vibration is the damn road or if it's the car. Thankfully, most of it's been the road. I don't know how everybody else feels about it, but this road kind of sucks. But I will say, I like the back roads a lot better than the highway. Because you're sitting there for 120 miles just field. I was bothering Jordan yesterday going, I'm going to park in that cornfield. I want that cornfield. Got a bean field. That cornfield. How about that cornfield? At least on this road, we're going through small towns, seeing people. People are out waving. Hell, there's a lot of people waiting for us to roll through with signs. A couple of them have, drag week, rev them up. Hell yeah. Can't do a trailer burnout. Every time I try to do it, the freaking back tire is biting the fenders. So maybe we'll try on the last day, dialing up the shocks to now trying to push through the fenders. DIY mini tub. But other than that, we're doing it. I don't know how many more miles we have to the next stop, but we're on our way.
All right, stop point number, or day 3, stop point number 2. How you doing? Trying to get pictures, but hope you'll be able to tell.
Well, I think this is the end of day 3. We made it to the track. We have camp set up. We're gonna, baby's getting laid down. I think I'm gonna put her into track trim there, get the car ready for the morning. I'm going to check on the rocker arms in the morning. They're getting a little clattery. Don't know if something's hitting something. Hopefully a push rod didn't come loose. So we're gonna open those up in the morning and see what we got. But other than that, man, we made it. It's late, it's dark. Got a full tank of gas, 10 gallons of gas in the trailer. And we're here in one piece so far, so we'll see you tomorrow.